Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will explain how to create a subject. Last video I will show you how to create a class. Same thing we can do inside subjects. So let's create a one menu, subject menu. After we can create a tables inside our database like subjects. So let's step by steps. Okay, so first we can create a tables. So table name is a subject. ID and we can do the primary name, subject name and type, because we need to do the type like a practical, theory, like this. So we can use the two type, practical or theory, and also can do created at, updated at, and status is delete and created at, updated at, created at and updated at. And we can make another column created by, but let's see, here is already filled, so we can save and after we can back and do again to add new column. So varchars 255, varchar I think 255, and the status we need to make 10 integers, 10 text, now 10 integers, 10 integers. Same like delete also 10 integers, date and times, also here date and times, null, and each delete is equal to 0, 0 means not, 1 means yes. Same like status, 0 means active, 1 means inactive. And type also null, name is also null. Let's save. So subject table is created successfully. Let's add a one column created by, so we know who is created. So go to structures and add a new column after type created by. And save. So let's go to our projects and create a new menu, subject, because table created successfully, no issue now. Okay, so I already opened my project in a editors, go to views, inside need to go layout inside you need to go like headers and make it zoom out. Inside we need to create a new menu, subjects, segment subjects, and class subject. So you don't understand subject, how we can pass inside segment, so I already explained in other videos, so please watch this videos. Okay, subjects, I refresh the page, so you can see it here is like subject menu, and later we can change all this is like icon, but first of all we can sort out every our logics. Okay, so subjects, and go to admin. Inside we can create a roots inside web, so let's copy all the root about class. Just you can type here and just put here subject. Yeah, I can explain, but I will do right now class to subjects. Okay, here also you can change class to subject controller. Like a listing, adding, add post method, edit get method, post, and delete get method. So we have created all the root system routes. So we can declare also subject controller in above. Okay, this saves. Perfect. Now we need to open our terminal and create a controller and models. Here also video there how to create a controller and how to create a models. With model and controller how to create combine, so this is the video also there, so please watch. PHP artisan artisan make controller subject controller. Subject controller. Press enter. So you can see it here is a creating one controller, but taking time, just few seconds. Subject controllers. So you can see it subject controller successfully created. Now also we can create a model. So let's see. PHP artisan make a model subject model. Press enter. So you can see it here, model also created. Let's open class model. Just copy all the code and put inside subject model. So I don't want to like copy paste, otherwise you can't understand how you can do. So let's make it step by step. So first we are short read is like protected table name our subject. So just you can type your subject. Okay. Now we can open the subject controller, and also we can upload a class controller. So just we can make first list. So just go to class controller and I copy. So do you want to see how to create class? So you can check in like a previous video in this series, so you can understand. So we can do the copy paste work. So with a quickly we can do, and we can create a new video as soon as possible. Okay. So let's copy and put here like a list function. Inside here it is a subject model. So let's change to class model. So we can change to subject model. App models slash class model to subject model. So also declare here subject models. And here we can change to subject, and we also change this class to subject. So let's create a get record function inside subject model. So open the models and static functions. Here you can create a code. So let's go to class models, and inside we can copy this is the codes. So just put here class to change to subject model. Here is a class to change to subject, because we need a subject data, and we also make a join query like a subject dot created by. Okay, this is the filter I will remove now, because I will explain how to work filter. And also we can make subject is delete, and subject ID is equal to descending order paginate 20. Okay, so here is a created proper way, no issue, like data is getting here inside a controller. So let's create list.blade.php files. So first we need to create a folder name subjects. Go to admin inside we need to create a subject folder. So subject folder inside we need to do is a list files. So list.blade.php. So the file is successfully created. Just go to class and go to list and just copy and paste here, and go up and just change to class to subject. So let's make a subject. We already created admin subject add. I can show you inside roots web.php. You can see it here. We have already created. So go to list again and change to admin subject. Here is a search subjects, name and date. We can add also new filter like type. Okay, subject list, and here also name status. We can also add here type like subject type, so you can understand which type, like theory. There I would find out two types, like a theory and practical. So let's go to again list, and we can check. Okay, perfect. And here check class to subjects up to subject, and also we did pagination code here like get records. So let's go to website and refresh the page, and after click on the subject menu. I click the subject menu. So you can see subject list is add new subjects, search subject, subject list, and here name, type, status, created by, created dates, and action. So first we need to create a add new subject. So let's create a new routes like add new subject. We have already created. So just copy these words, add, and go to controller, subject controller, insert, make a function, add, and copy about 2 lines and put here and type here add subject. Okay. So let's create a new file, subject.add. So add.blade.php. Go to class, inside go to adds, just add, copy and paste inside subject file inside. So you can see it's paste work. So just change the name, subject. Here is the class name, the subject name, and refresh the page and click on the add new subject. So let's say you see add new subject, which is the highlight because we already did segment subjects. And here is the subject name, active, inactive. So just add a types here, new drop down. Just copy the status and we can put here type, subject type. And here we can do like a select because no, we need to select. And we can make a required field, select type and required. Set name is equal to types. And we can make a 2 types coding. So let's copy theory and practical. Take theory and practicals. So you know what type of subject we created. This is then we can add a, oh sorry, I pasted wrong way. Just copy here, put here, and cut here and put here. So we don't need to do again coding. So just you can see it, we have created like a subject name, subject types and status. Let's save the file and go and refresh the page. So you can see it here, subject type, theory and practical and subject name. And now we can submit. So we need to store this data inside subject table. So let's make a coding. Go to webs, inside you need to create like a post method. I already created a post method. So just copy insert and go to controllers and just type here subjects, functions, request, $request. Let's make a debug. We are getting data, not getting data. Go to codes, just fill. I was using plugins, so automatic fill the data. I click the submit button. So you can see it, name, type and status. Status 0 means active. So let's store this data inside table, subject table. So $save is equal to new name, and I can use string function. Suppose sometimes the user had a space, so his database inside not doing the space, then I use string function and name, copy paste, and here you can do type. Also we can make status. So let's make this, and here also make status, and we can do the created by, who is the created, auth, user and id, and also create a use auth. We can declare the auth classes above. Okay, now we can save and redirect to back to subject page. So with success method, return, redirect, back with success, record subject successfully created. Successfully created. And let me try it's working or working, not back. Maybe we can do redirect like a school subject list. No, sorry, admin subject list. Okay, now insert record working very well. Let's try it's working, not working. Just refresh the page and just fill the data. Okay, and I click the submits. So you can see subject successfully created, and also you can see name, class is equal to active, and admin means tag is equal to active, and status is equal to admin. So just we can make like a proper column because mismatch here. So go to list page and do the perfect. So first of all, name inside, after we can type tag means name is subject name. So let's make a like a proper name, subject name, subject type. We know what is this table name. So what is this is the pages. So we know about subject name and subject type. So just refresh. So you can see it, subject name, subject types, status, created by, created dates, and action, edit and delete. So let's create another subject also. Let's fill the data and submit. So you can see the two subject created, with one is a practical type and one is a like a theory type, subject type. So let's create an edit function. So edit, we already created routes like admin, subjects, edit. So go to controller, subject controller, and create a like a edit function. Functions, edit, text, $id, and let's copy inside class control so we can do it quickly. Just copy these lines and go to subject controller and put here and change the class to subjects, and also we can change to subject, and we can do edit subject, and we can create a new function inside subject model. So we can do the new function static functions get singles, and here you can pass $id, return self find $id. Self means is a above class, means above model class, like the subjects model. Suppose you can type like this, so also work. Suppose you can type self, so also. Right now we can use self. Okay, so you can understand. Here is we have got the data, single data about the ID events, and also we have got change the name, edit subject titles, and we can create a new file, edit.blend.php. Inside admin, inside subjects, we can create a new file, edit blend.php. So let's copy add code and put inside edit, and just change to edit subjects, and here everything is good. So just change the name, update. Let's refresh the page and click on the edit buttons. So data is showing proper way, means the form showing perfect. Just make a fill the data whatever we are editing. So let's go to controller and copy this is the variable because we already declared inside data. So just copy this variable name, get records, and put inside value name, and also we can make it this is the selection. So let's see working, not working name. Okay, you see subject name working, variable, no issue. So let's make this selection. This is the also status, also make a selection. So select okay, we over there. So just one link, and here tab is equal to selected theory. Here you can make a theory, also you can make here practical. Same thing you can do inside data. So just copy this line and put here and put here. Change data is column name, status, and here make a 0 and here make a 1. But let me refresh the page so you can check working. No, you can see automatic select subject type theory, and here showing the status active, inactive. So automatic selection active because this is the record for active data. So let's click on the update button. So it update the data. So we already created new routes because action is a blank, so same routes. So just go to root files, web.php files. Inside we just copy the update function and create a new function here. Functions updates $id comma request $request. Let's copy this is all the lines and put bottom, and let's change to subject model to get single record because we need to update ID again. So just copy and paste here and we don't need like create by because we already declared. Here just change the message, subject successfully updated. Okay, let's refresh the page, and after we can change to active to inactive, theory tab is equal to practical, and here I will add 1. So let me try to update. So you can see it's subject successfully updated with, so you can check the name change, also is subject type change, and status also change inactive. So let's edit and make actives and practical to theory, and also you can remove the 1. So click on the update button, so you can see it, data also updated. Now we can make a delete function. So we have already created one roots like a delete, admin, subject, delete. Now you can go to inside list, so you can see it, we already made. So just copy this is the delete function and create a delete function here, $id, and just copy both part and put that here and type here subject successfully deleted, and here you can just make a redirect back. You don't need to make it properly. Okay, and just type like is delete is equal to 1. So we are maintaining record status wise, we don't need to delete permanently. Okay, let's click on the delete button. So it's showing the subject successfully deleted. Here also not showing because we have made a condition is delete is equal to 0, so will be found, otherwise not found. So you can see it here like a updated 1. So why? Because we have made a condition inside subject model. You can see it here, subject dot is delete is equal to 0. So this is the record we need to show here. Let's make here 0 again, so this record is back. Suppose by mistake are you removing anything, so you can go database and you can recover, otherwise impossible to recover. Suppose you can remove everything. So let's make a now filter work, and also we can make here subject tag. So just go to list page, I don't know now, just go to list page, and I just let's go to add page and copy this is the part, and go to here and copy this part and put here, and we can put inside this data. So we don't need to write a code. This is an shortcut. You see subject type, select type, and you can see practical theory, and we can make like auto selection, just copy and put here. Just copy and put here. Okay, now we can change to type. Is equal to type. So is equal to theory. So I just copy this word, put here, and so it is selected, otherwise not selected. This is the attribute about the selected is the HTML attribute. So we can write here and put here also, and just change to theory to practical. Let's refresh the page. We can refresh. So let's theory I can add. So you can see it, name tab is equal to theory, and date also showing inside get method. So let's make a filter. Go to subject models. We can use here request because we need to data. Go to class model, just copy these lines and put here. So you can change class name to subject name and created at to subject dot created at is a date. So we are passing here date because we are getting the date also. We are getting the name, so we can put here name, subject dot name, like, and request dot get, and we use it where date because we just need to add dates. And also we need to make a tab. Just copy these lines and put button and put here tabs, and the subject dot tabs, and is like remove, and is equal to, and also remove the percentage sign. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see it only found theory data because we have put here theory. Let's reset. So it's going to class because we changed this like a reset URL. So go to list and change the set URL. So go up and change to where is the there? Okay, I found class to subject. I refresh and I add this name and I click in the search. Okay, let's remove the required fields. We don't need the required fields here. And let's refresh the page. We can add a name here. Search. So you can see only subject name found. Whatever I search. Also, suppose I can search like a name and subject is practical. So just found no any data because not any matching. And here you can do like theory. So only theory data you can found. And also date whatever date you are searching. Right now the 13, 19, suppose 29 I search. So you can see not found. So only 13 date working very well. Okay, now filter working. Let's make a pagination working, not working. So I will add a new records, subjects and submits. So here showing 3 records. Let's make a pagination only 2. So go to subject models and create a pagination 2 and refresh the page. So you can see it. Pagination is equal to 2 means 2 records. So next record going to pagination. You can see it. Edit delete also working here. Let's make back to 20. Okay, so in this video I show you how to create a subject list, how to add subjects, how to edit delete subject, and with how to make a filter and how to make a pagination. Next video I will show you means how to create the subjects, means how to assign class to subjects. So one class is the multiple subjects, you know me know. So we can create a new menu here, assign subject, means assign subject like this menu. So you can select the class and you can choose a multiple subjects. So you can add them, we can show in the list, and we can make a filtering, adding, editing, deleting. Okay, so next video we can do assign subjects. I hope do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this more video, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.